హాస్పిటల్ డాక్టర్స్ ఏమో ఏం లేదమ్మా నీ ఏజ్ పెద్దదే కదా అని ఇంతకాలం ఉన్నా చాలా గ్రేట్ అండి. స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about spotters, which is in cancer chemotherapy and immunosuppressant drugs. Spotters we will keep in exam. 8 spotters we will keep. We will be given. One is the crude drug, and one is the identify the picture structure and remaining drugs. This type of drugs we will keep in drug sample. For example, methotrexate. We will keep. You have to identify and write the right. We will be given question format also in that. For example, in that write one indication of this methotrexate and write one adverse of this drug. Then you have to write whatever it is there in question format. You have to answer to those questions. First one is the methotrexate. It is a folic acid antagonist. It inhibits dihydrofolate. It inhibits the conversion of dihydrofolate to tetrahydrofolate by the enzyme dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, which is used to conversion of dihydrofolate to tetrahydrofolate. This methotrexate is a folic acid antagonist. It inhibits the enzyme of dihydrofolate reductase, which is used for the conversion of dihydrofolate to tetrahydrofolate. It binds to the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme and prevents the formation of tetrahydrofolate. This methotrexate binds to the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, which is prevents the formation of tetrahydrofolic acid. So here you can see this is the drug methotrexate sample. Like this we will keep and we will be given those type of drugs. Methotrexate, write about one indication and adverse effect like that. Then you have to write. Then it has a cytotoxic actions. It mainly affects bone marrow, skin, and gastrointestinal mucosa and rapidly dividing cells. It also has immunosuppressant action and some inflammatory properties. So it has so many indications. So in this question format, you have only one indication. You have to write. If you want to write 1 or 2 indications, so no problem. So it has a cytotoxic drugs. It mainly affects bone marrow, skin, and gastrointestinal mucosa and rapidly dividing cells. It also has it also used as an immunosuppressant and also has some inflammatory properties. So it reduces inflammation also. So what are the adverse effects? Here you can see it causes nephrotoxicity, bone marrow suppression, and alopecia dermatitis. These are the adverse effects of methotrexate. Unlike that, uses so many indications are there in for methotrexate. It is used in a curative in choriocarcinoma and useful in leukemias, breast cancer, and soft tissue sarcomas, and also used in rheumatoid arthritis. It decreases the inflammation because it has a inflammatory agent. It works as an inflammatory agent, and it is also used in psoriasis, and it is as an immunosuppressant. It is used in organ transplantation, Crohn's disease, and bronchial asthma, respiratory bronchial asthma. Okay. So what are the adverse effects of methotrexate? What is the given one adverse effect of methotrexate? Means it causes nephrotoxicity, bone marrow suppression, and alopecia, and also causes dermatitis. What are the uses? It is used in, what are the indications or uses? It is used in choriocarcinoma and leukemias, breast cancer and soft tissues, and also used as an anti-inflammatory drug, and also used as a some immunosuppressant. As a immunosuppressant, it is used for organ transplantation, Crohn's disease, and respiratory bronchial asthma. As inflammatory drug, it is used as a psoriasis and rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, then we'll go for next drug. Cyclophosphamide, it is an alkylating agent. For this also we have to give cyclophosphamide question format. What are the indications or what are the uses? What is the mechanism of action? Those type of questions will be repeated in such drugs. So alkylating agents, and it is a prodrug, alkylating agent, and it is a prodrug. It causes cystitis due to metabolite temporally, and it is used in lymphoma, in children's and leukemias and myeloma. It is used in lymphoma, especially it is used in children's for lymphoma and leukemias and myeloma. What is the mechanism of cyclophosphamide? It is a cytotoxic effect, is mainly due to cross-linking of strands of DNA and RNA and to inhibition of the protein synthesis. Mainly inhibits the protein synthesis. So what are the side effects? Adverse effects, it causes loss of appetite, stomach ache, diarrhea, and darkening of the skin and nails, and also it causes nausea and vomiting. These are the severe adverse effects. Nausea and vomiting is a severe adverse effect, and it also causes loss of appetite, stomach ache, diarrhea, and darkening of the skin and nails. So this is the side effect. Darkening of the skin and nails is the side effect of the cyclophosphamide, and also causes stomach ache, diarrhea, and loss of appetite. And next is the vincristine. It is a vinca alkaloids group, vincristine, vinblastine. Those type of drugs belongs to vinca alkaloids. It causes less neurotoxicity and bone marrow depression, and it is used in breast and lung and cervical tumors. Compared to cytotoxic drugs, it causes less neurotoxicity and bone marrow depression. Less side effects are there. So it is used and it is used in breast and lung cervical tumors. Here you can see this is the drug. It is used in combination with other chemotherapy drugs to treat certain types of leukemias, that is cancer of the white blood cells, and including AML and ANLL, which means including a acute myeloid leukemia is acute myeloid leukemia is AML is called, and acute lymphoblastic leukemia is also called ANLL. So these are used, these vinca alkaloids are used in combination with other drugs to treat certain types of leukemias, such as acute myeloid leukemia, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. And next drug is the cyclosporine. Here you can see this is the cyclosporine drug, which we will keep either it is available as a gelatin capsules, soft gelatin capsules, tablets, and also available as injections. Here you can see cyclosporine capsules. Then this drug is belongs to immunosuppressant group. It binds to cyclophilin and inhibits the calcineurin phosphate. Cyclosporine belongs to immunosuppressant. This belongs to class of drug known to as immunosuppressant, and it binds to cyclophilin and inhibits the calcineurin phosphate. And it is a major mode of action is the inhibition of production of cytokines, which is involved in the regulation of T cell activation. This particular cyclosporin inhibits the transcription of interleukin. So this is the mechanism. It's it inhibits the production of cytokines, which is involved in the regulation of T cell activation. Cyclosporin inhibits the cytokines, which is involved in the C cells activation, and it inhibits the transcription of interleukins. Then it causes adverse effects of cyclosporin. It causes nephrotoxicity, hepatotoxicity, anorexia, hyperglycemia, hyperlipidemia, hirsutism, and gum hypertrophy. So these all are the adverse effects or side effects which is used in cyclosporin. So what are those? Nephrotoxicity, hepatotoxicity, anorexia, hyperglycemia, hyperlipidemia, hirsutism, and gum hypertrophy. So these are the adverse effects which is caused in cyclosporin. It is used as an immunosuppressant. And next drug is the tacrolimus. This is also belongs to immunosuppressant drug. Chemically, it is differ from cyclosporin. Here you can see cyclosporin. It inhibits the production of cytokines, which is involved in the regulation of T cells, and also binds to cyclophilin and inhibits the calcineurin phosphate. Here tacrolimus, it is a immunosuppressant, but chemically all the mechanism of action, everything same as a cyclosporin, but chemically different from cyclosporin. Plasma half-life is 12 hours. This tacrolimus is usually in patients whose reaction are not suppressed by cyclosporin. It is replaced by cyclosporin. When the patient is not respond for cyclosporin, then tacrolimus is the drug of choice to keep that patients. It is used in Crohn's disease, atopic dermatitis. When it is given topically, it is used in atopic dermatitis applied on the skin, and it also causes side effects. Hypertension, gum hyperplasia, hirsutism is a less side effects, and severe side effect is it's mostly precipitated diabetes and neurotoxicity. It also causes alopecia and diarrhea. What are the uses? It is used in Crohn's disease and dermatitis. When it is applied on topical route, it is used as it is used for atopic dermatitis, and it causes side effects or adverse effects, severe adverse effects. It precipitate diabetes and neurotoxicity, alopecia and diarrhea, and some little side effects are the hypertension, gum hyperplasia, and hirsutism. Next drug is the cisplatin. For this also we will be given to like this Potter. We will keep it like this Potter and question format. What are the other indications? What is the adverse effects? What is the mechanism of action? What are the drug interactions? Those type of questions will be arise on these drugs. So the cisplatin is also cytotoxic drug as a cytotoxic drug which kills cancer cells by damaging DNA and inhibiting DNA synthesis. What is the cause? This is the cytotoxic drug. What is the action? Which kills the cancer cells by damaging the mechanism of action. It is how it kills. It kills the cancer cells by damaging DNA and inhibiting DNA synthesis. It is a chemotherapy medication. Cisplatin is a chemotherapy medication used to treat number of cancers such as testicular cancers, ovarian cancers, cervical cancers, breast cancer, bladder cancer, head and neck cancers, esophageal cancer, lung cancer, mesothelioma, and brain tumors and neuroblasts. neuroblastoma. These all are treated by cisplatin. It is a by damaging DNA and inhibiting the DNA synthesis of cells. So it is used in number of cancers including testicular cancer, ovarian cancer, cervical cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, neck cancer, esophageal cancers and mesothelioma and brain tumors, and also used in neuroblastoma. Used to treat in neuroblastoma. And what are the side effects which causes cisplatin? Causes tinnitus, deafness, sensory neuropathy and hyperuricemia. These are the side effects of cisplatin. It is used mostly in all cancers, so breast cancer, lung cancer, testicular cancer, ovarian and cervical cancers, and also used in brain tumors. Used to treat in brain tumors. It causes less side effects, nausea, vomiting, tinnitus, and tinnitus. These are the severe side effects of the tinnitus, deafness, sensory neuropathy, and hyperuricemia. So this is about SPOTUS, which is in cancer chemotherapy and immunosuppressants. Little drugs will be given in cancer chemotherapy. So you have to write. You have to thorough with all theory. You have to read all drugs about mechanism of action, what are the pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, routes by which route will be given in those drugs, which route is more efficacy, and what are the adverse effects, what is the indication. So those type of questions will be given in exam. Thank you.